This episode is sponsored by Circle K. Get the most savings on every gallon when you fuel with the Circle K Fleet Card. Learn more at CircleKFleetCards.com.
Welcome to this week's Top Truck News Recap from Truck Chat. I'm Lauren Fletcher, Executive Editor of Work Truck, here to share a few highlights from February 26th through March 4th of 2022. But before I get started, you know the drill. Be sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a single episode. In green fleet efforts, DHL Express is installing solar panel units on its trucks within its U.S. pickup and delivery fleet. 67 of DHL Express's medium and heavy-duty trucks with trailer solar technology is expected to reduce CO2 emissions by 1,000 kilograms per year for each vehicle, according to DHL, while also lowering both fuel and maintenance costs. The solar system generates electricity from sunlight and will be used to charge the battery, power liftgates, and other ancillary equipment. DHL shared that this reduces the load on the alternator and, as a result, fuel consumption. With continuous battery management via the Trailer Smart Charge Controller, solar energy is used to maintain battery levels at the most optimum level, even when the vehicle is off. This constant care of the battery and reduction in alternator wear has a direct impact on reducing overall vehicle maintenance costs, according to DHL. And the first production Zeus Electric Chassis electric work trucks are being built to spec for the Sacramento Municipal Utility District. 4 of the Class 5 trucks for the utility are being upfit with truck bodies from Napahide Manufacturing Company, an electric stake truck, open-body service truck, closed-body service truck with a crew cab, and a dump truck. The electric stake truck will be one of the first off the line at the Zeus production facility in White Bear Lake, Minnesota. The truck bodies are built at Napahide's Quincy, Illinois manufacturing facility and delivered to the Zeus White Bear Lake facility for installation. They are procured through Custom Truck OneSource. Integration of the truck body with their configurable chassis is one of the key differentiators of the Zeus Power platform. In driver-related news, the U.S. Department of Labor has established the American Trucking Associations as an official registered apprenticeship sponsor, meaning ATA can now provide its member companies the ability to offer apprenticeships to job applicants. Under the apprenticeship program, ATA members will need to meet certain training and compensation standards as they bring in new drivers for a 2-year apprenticeship program that will provide graduated wages as drivers develop and expand their skills. Under the agreement, ATA and its partner Fastport, a Department of Labor intermediary specializing in transportation and logistics, will administer the program for the participating companies. This is an important step right now, as ATA officials say the trucking industry is currently short more than 80,000 drivers need to meet the economy's current freight demands. Diesel technicians are also in high demand and short supply. In general automotive news, Kelley Blue Book announced the 2022 model year brand, category, and top 10 winners of the 20th annual Best Resale Value Awards on February 28th. The award recognizes vehicles for their projected retained value through the initial 5-year ownership period. The 2022 Best Resale Value Brand Award went to Toyota. This year marks the 6th Best Retail Value Award for the brand, which previously won the same honors in 2014, 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2021. For the vehicle category focused awards, the top pickup trucks honored by Kelley Blue Book were the Ford Maverick for compact pickup trucks, the Toyota Tacoma for midsize pickup truck, the Toyota Tundra for full-size pickup truck, and the GMC Sierra 2500 was honored as top full-size pickup truck heavy-duty. A recent pulse survey conducted by Work Truck found that video telematics still has a way to go before becoming considered a must-have safety feature. Over half of our survey respondents, 64%, said their fleet had not implemented some form of video telematics, while only 36% stated that they had. Among those who have implemented video telematics, the majority said they feel it's made a difference in the safety of their fleet, at 65%. 25% of our respondents said not enough time had passed for them to tell a difference, and 5% said they saw no difference at all. Not sure and don't know accounted for another 5%. Check out the results to find out why fleet managers were motivated to give video a shot and what features fleet managers would like to see down the road. And stay tuned for more industry work research coming to you from Work Truck. There is no shortage of news about struggles, challenges, and crises. But in the world of fleet, there is so much good that happens that it deserves a special shout out. Work Truck took a moment to share a few of the top news highlights that brightened our days and gave us a little bit of inspiration. From Anheuser-Busch and BYD to Mack Trucks, taking a greater focus on driver health, Toyota's fundraising efforts for the Paralympics, Kenworth's $540,000 donation for scholarships, and numerous driver recognition awards from TSOA and E-Road, take a moment away from the doom scrolling and share what other stories have had an impact and brightened your day in our comments. Thanks for listening to this week's episode of Truck Chat, sponsored by Circle K. And remember, if you want more, head on over to worktruckonline.com to sign up for our newsletters, check out our YouTube channel, subscribe to our podcasts, and follow us on your favorite social platforms so you never miss a thing.